You can create a dynamic random flash outro for your video in CapCut PC. First, move the playhead to a point about 3 seconds before the end of your video clip. Go to the Text tab and add your default text to the timeline at this point. Type in your closing message like "Thanks for watching" and customize its font and style. Now, go to the animations for this text clip. In the Animations category, find and select Random Bounce Tool. Adjust the duration of this entrance animation to about 2 seconds. Then, in that Animations category for the same text, apply a fade out effect and set its duration to 1 second. Finally, select your main background video clip on the timeline. Go to its animations and in that category, apply a fade out effect. Set this fade out duration to 3 seconds to smoothly end your video. Your random flash outro is now complete.